Hello and welcome to this video on how to create and manage screens and buttons in the CapiraMobile Staff Dashboard. For this demonstration, we will be using OCLC's demo CapiraMobile environment. Your library's environment could appear different based on your own library's configurations and permissions. Following this overview, you will be able to create screens and buttons to help guide your patrons through the app, edit screens and buttons including adding translations to customizable text fields, and delete screens and buttons that are no longer needed on the app. Screen types include Welcome Screen, the default landing screen that displays to all patrons when using the app. The welcome screen cannot be deleted, but it can be customized with buttons. Standard screens contain important links and content for patrons to interact with, such as event calendars, mobile checkout, and user account information. Buttons cannot be added to standard screens. And custom screens are configurable to allow one or more buttons to link to other features or options in the app. Upon logging into the CapiraMobile Staff Dashboard, locate the Elements section from the menu on the left side of the screen. To create or manage screens and buttons to guide patrons through the app, select the Screens element. Manage Screens shows all the screens created for your app. The Welcome screen is the first screen that patrons will see when logging into the app. Although this screen is required for all libraries, it can be customized to fit the needs of your library through Manage Screens. To add additional screens to your mobile app, select Add Screen. This will open the Create New Screen page. From here, libraries are able to enter the screen name and a brief description of the screen. The screen description is limited to 3 lines of text and is for staff use only and will not be seen by patrons. You can include translations for the screen name, which will show in the app when patrons change their device language settings. To add a translation, select Expand Translations. Select Add Translation. Choose the language from the drop-down list. Enter the translated text. You can continue to add multiple languages to best meet the needs of your library patrons. Next, select the layout style for the screen. Layout options include vertical row layout or grid layout. Once the information for the new screen and the layout style is entered, select Add Screen. A new screen has been created. You can customize existing screens and their content from Manage Screens. Locate the screen you would like to edit. Select Edit Buttons icon under the Action column on the right side of the screen. This will open the Edit Screen page. From this page, libraries are able to customize the screen name, add or edit screen name translations, edit the layout, and add or edit buttons. Buttons can be added to any custom screen or the welcome screen. A button can link to a custom screen or standard screen on the app. A button can also perform an action, which will allow the button to activate a call, email, SMS, or link to an external website to help patrons reach related services and content. To add a button, select Add New in the top right of the Edit Screen page. This will open the Create New Button screen. Enter a button title. Enter an optional button description. The button description will be visible to patrons. There is no character limit for this field, but screen layout options will show a max of 3 lines of text. The vertical row layout option will allow patrons to more easily view the full button description. Translations can be added to button titles and descriptions. Select Expand Translations. Select Add Translation. Select the language from the drop-down list. Enter the translated text. You can continue to add multiple languages to best meet the needs of your patrons. From the Action section, select an action for the button by selecting a landing screen from the drop-down list. Libraries can select a standard screen or any custom screen already created through Add Screen. If a button will link to another screen on the app, there is no need for an action value to be entered. From the Image section, select the Media Library button. This will open the Media Library. Select the desired image/icon for this button. Select Add button at the bottom of the screen to save the new button. A button that will perform an action such as linking to a website or email can be added to any custom screen or the welcome screen. For Manage Screens, select the screen you would like to add a button to. Select Add New in the top right of the Edit Screen page to add a button. From the Create New Button screen, enter a button title and an optional button description. You can add translations to your button title and description. Select an action for the button from the drop-down list that includes action in the action title, such as Action SMS or Action Website. An action value is required for any action that has an associated action value, such as an email or a website link. Enter the associated action value in the Action Value section. Select the Media Library button. From the Media Library, choose the desired image/icon for this button. Select Add button at the bottom of the screen to save the new button. Returning to the app, when the button is selected, it will perform the assigned action such as opening a website. From the Edit Screen page, libraries are able to edit buttons. To edit a button, select the Edit icon at the top of the selected button. This will open the Screen button, Edit button screen. Update any required information and click Save Edits at the bottom of the screen. Once button edits are saved, it will return to the Edit Screen page. To delete a button, select Delete icon. A pop-up screen will appear. Click Yes to confirm the button removal. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. If a screen needs to be removed, return to Manage Screens. From the Action column, select Delete for the screen you want to remove. A pop-up screen will appear. Click Yes to confirm the button removal. It will automatically be deleted and return you to the Manage Screens page. For further information on this topic, CapiraMobile documentation can be accessed directly through your browser at help.oclc.org/discovery_and_reference/Capira. For any queries not answered by CapiraMobile documentation, please contact OCLC support by clicking the Contact Us link found at the top of the page, and then select Find Contact Information for your region. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.